Hi everyone, today we are looking at the beautiful signature design by Loyaska end table. This square table features a bold and blocky profile that fits perfectly in any modern living room. The natural white marble top shows unique color variations and beautiful veining for a truly timeless look. Crafted with oak veneer, the grayish-brown wood finish adds a warm and inviting feel to your home. Measuring 24 inches wide and deep, it is the ideal height for placing beside your favorite sofa. Assembly is straightforward with all tools included to help you upgrade your family's space quickly and easily. This durable piece combines natural materials with a casual design to enhance your interior decor effortlessly. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.